Hello everyone, welcome in Crafting Wheel channel. Today I will show you how to make a crochet doily and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video. I will use Rico Essential yarn and hook number 1.6 millimeter as shown now. Let's start. I will start round 1. I will make a slip knot as shown now. Then make 8 chains and make with slip stitch to make a ring. Then make 7 chains and make triple crochet stitch into that ring as shown now. Then make 3 chains and make another triple crochet stitch that first group, I mean with group 3 chains, then triple crochet stitch. I repeat that group 7 times as shown now. Then finish with 3 chains and close with slip stitch into the 4th chain from the beginning. I will make it and I'll come back. Then I will start round 2. I will make 3 chains and make 4 double crochet into that space as shown now. Then make 5 double crochet stitches into the next space and repeat that across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make 5 double crochet stitches into every space across the row, then close with slip stitch. I will make it and I'll come back. Then start round 3. I will make 4 chains, then make 4 triple crochet stitch together as shown now. Then make 16 chains and turn, then skip next 7 chains as shown now. Then make slip stitch to make a ring as shown now and make another I made a chain, then make slip stitch into the ring, into the first chain of the ring as shown now. Then make 3 chains and make 4 double crochet into the ring to start the first flower. Then make 3 chains again. That is the first petal for that flower. I made 3 chains, then make single crochet and make another 3 chains to start second petal, and make another 4 double crochet stitches into the same ring. And make another 3 chains, then make single crochet into the ring and make another 3 chains and make 4 double crochet stitches into the same ring to make last and third petal for that flower. Now I finished that flower, then close with slip stitch into the ring as shown now. Then make 8 chains and make 5 triple crochet stitch together again. Here that is first triple crochet stitch, then continue making another 4 triple crochet stitch together as shown now to have 5 triple crochet stitches together, and repeat with the same sequence to make another flowers with the same sequence across the row. I will make it and I'll come back. Now I finished the all flowers, then close with slip stitch and cut our yarn. Now I finished that crochet flowers doily, and I hope to admire you. If you admire you, please could you subscribe and share and like that video, and if you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me and I will reply you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.